Hey you guys, it's Michelle Cutie Pie. Today I will be doing this holiday Christmas party makeup look. I'll be focusing more on the eyeshadow today and topping it with this super bright bold red lip. I think topping your look off with a bold lip or any type of red lipstick gives that holiday feel. So that's what I did for today's look. If you'd like to see how I did this, then please keep watching. And today I will be using my Jaclyn Hill palette and my BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections in the Gilded.
I already did my base and I will list down everything that I used down in the description box below.
For lipstick, I'm taking Rogue Cream. I'm taking the Morphe R39 brush. I'm going to highlight my brow highlight. I'm using In Light and Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette, but you could use your usual. I like adding my brow highlight so I can get it over with and also bring it down. And then after that I just blend it in. I like to put an extra right under the arch to emphasize it. Let's take a warm transition color, so I'm taking this one right here, tapping the excess and then focusing on the crease, and then you're going to blend it upwards and just use a light hand when blending.
Bring it up, and if you like that cat eye type of look, just blend it towards the end of your eyebrow. I like to bring the shadow right in this hollow right there, and just keep blending. I'm gonna add a little bit more on the other side.
I'm going for this burgundy color right here. Tap it, and I'm just focusing on the outer corner. Just blend it there and bring it up towards the tail of your eyebrow. If not, you can just focus on the outer corner and just swirl it lightly with a super light hand so that everything is nicely blended. What I also like to do is rest my eyebrows so that I know how the eyeshadow really looks on the outcome, and then just blend it while your face is relaxed. I need to add a little bit more here. Now I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm taking the Luxie 141 mini round brush. Now I'm going to take a dark brown and just add this from the outer corner towards the middle into a fade. Add this on the outer corner and just blend it right there. Now I'm taking this brush from Daiso. It's a synthetic brush. Now I want to add some gold to make everything look very festive. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Gilded palette, taking the gold, just swirling that on my brush. Just take your setting spray. I'm using the All Set Coconut Makeup Setting Spray from Posh. Spray that once. And now I'm going to pack this on the rest of my lid. Bring it upwards and just focus on this area right here. Taking one of my Glamobrow brushes, swirling it with the gold shimmer, and this time I'm not going to spray it. Tap off the excess and then just pat it right on top. I'm also gonna add this on my inner corner. And now I want to add a paler yellow and stamp this right on the middle of my eyelid. Taking the brush from earlier, I'm going to bring that gold into the middle.
I'm just using whatever's left in the brush and bringing that towards the middle. I'm going to add just a little bit right on the inner corner. For some reason, every time I add color on my inner corner, I start tearing up and then that mixes together and I'm just like, no, what did I do?
So this is the gold eyeshadow look. If you're not into gold, then you can use any silvers or rose gold right on the inner corner, and then just add like a lighter shimmer in the middle. So now I'm going to put some liquid eyeliner and some lashes, and I will be right back. I really hope you guys love this holiday / Christmas party eyeshadow look. You don't have to use gold, you could use whatever metallic you want. So just do any metallic and use like a lighter color, or you can add like silver in the middle, and then just top that with a really bold red lip. You could do a bold red lip, a metallic lip. You can put on some lip gloss right on the middle. I think a burgundy lip would look so cute on this too. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please hit subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to see more makeup tutorials in the future. Let me know if you guys want to request any eye looks. Happy holidays everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!